There are thousands of combinations of pizza out there. When I come up with a pizza, I put on the things that I like. This one, bacon, egg, and potato. For me, match made in heaven. But this is going to be the one most important tip that I can pass on to you. I'm not going to even tell it to you now, I'm going to show you. Let's start the pizza. We're going to put our base out. We've got it ready. We've got our mozzarella. Always a little bit of cheese on the outside, more than the inside. Remember, it melts and it runs in. It's really important to go on the outside. So this is our nice cubed cheese. Now we've got our fresh mozzarella, which is going to add that real milkiness and creaminess that's going to be oozing all the way through. You can think of hundreds and hundreds of combinations of pizza, but you've got to keep to the rules. Not too many ingredients like this here. For me, this is the great combination. I've got some fresh potatoes here that I've just sliced thinly. They're raw, okay? Now I've got some fresh garlic here that's just been sitting in some oil. We're just gonna put that on top. And my favorite, bacon rashers. Now that's going in the oven. You're gonna say, but wait, Theo, where's the egg? If you'd put the egg on at the beginning, it would overcook. Because you remember, egg keeps on cooking. So the pizza's gonna take about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You put it in for 2, pull it out, crack the egg on, put it back in for 3. And it's actually gonna act like a sauce as well. So when you cut it, you've got that nice gooiness of the yolk all over it. There you go, one of my all-time favorite combinations. But the most important tip for me is finishing your pizza. That's gonna be a beautiful pizza no matter what. But I wanna elevate it. I want it to have something else. That certain je ne sais quoi that you don't get when you're eating other foods. Fresh spring onions. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. Finishing off is so important. And it's not eating it, that's not finishing the pizza. When you see any restaurant of class, they have a pass. So the people cook it, they call themselves chefs, others are dishwashers. You bring it over, they finish it off. They put things on it, then it goes to your table. We do the same thing with the pizza. We don't just cook the pizza, we finish it off. We're adding flavor, freshness, texture. If it just comes out of the oven, it's a lot more one-dimensional. Extra virgin olive oil, and just because I love it, a little bit of thyme. There you go. The smell, the visual. That is what great pizza is all about.